What's good, everyone? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is T. If not, welcome back. Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about dates. This sweet fruit right here. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys all about the benefits of dates. You know, why I start consuming it, because I didn't always eat dates. And you know, how I incorporate in my diet, how I use it. You know, dates come in 3 different forms. That's the way I got it. I got it in fresh, I got it crushed, and I got it in syrup. So continue watching this video to learn about all the benefits of dates and how I incorporate it in my diet. So yeah, first thing I want to say about dates are alkaline and they're naturally sweet. So right in front of me, I have dates in I had dates in 3 different forms. I had dates right here, fresh dates. Also have dates like crushed up right here. And I also had date in a syrup form. So, one small date has 16 grams of sugar. 16 grams of sugar. It's a lot of sugar. And like I said, it's natural sugar, so natural sweetener. And on top of it having 16 grams of sugar, it's cholesterol free and it's fat free. It has small amounts of vitamins and nutrients in it, like vitamin B, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and fiber. Yeah, I don't know how I forgot about fiber. And like I said earlier, dates are alkaline. And if you watch my previous video, mostly every alkaline fruit and vegetable has those nutrients in it I just named, which is the potassium, calcium, magnesium. Not all have fiber, but some has fiber. And what they all have in common, like I said, they all have that in common. They all alkaline. So, us being vegan or a plant-based diet, we know that the nutrients that we're most deficient in is like calcium, potassium, iron, omega-3, B12, and a lot of alkaline fruits and vegetables has all those in there. So if you're consuming fruits and vegetables that are alkaline, you already know you're getting your vitamin B, you're getting your potassium, you're getting your magnesium, you're getting your fiber, especially if you got like dates, and yeah. So for all those who think you need supplements, you don't really need supplements, or you need like to eat other diets. Listen, like I said, dates are full of nutrients, small amounts, but it's still full of it. Dates also carries antioxidants. And like in my previous videos, when I spoke on different fruits and vegetables, fruits that have antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease or cancer, things like that. So a lot of alkaline fruits have that in common. They all have antioxidants, which reduces your risk of getting cancer and like heart disease. So that's a good thing. I also read in a 2014 study in the Journal of Nutritional Science that a test was done that concluded that dates help with your bowel health and reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. So that's really good. Like I said, that they specify which cancer that it help with. And for all those who need digestive health, you know, dates would be a good option to use. You know, there's different ways you can use dates, and I'm gonna just show you a few ways of how I use it, how I incorporate it in my diet. So for instance, we all know that one date has 16 grams of sugar. So you could, when you blend it up your smoothies, you could put like a date into there, blend it up. And if you don't want it like that, you can just cut it open, stuff the dates up. Another way you can use dates, like I said, you can, if you have it in sugar or crushed form, you could pour this into like your cereal, or you pour it to like your when you're baking cookies or baking. So anytime you use the sugar, you replace your sugar with date sugar. So I wouldn't suggest a guava or honey or cane sugar or any of those sugars. I would suggest date sugar. And you know, like I was saying earlier, with the date syrup, you can pour this to your oatmeal, you can pour it to your tea, and yeah, so many different ways you can incorporate dates into your diet. You know, so appreciate everyone for watching this video, showing your support, sharing. Like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.